After a number of false starts, Oshkosh is still trying to redevelop part of its riverfront, and proponents will say that progress is being made.
A local developer plans to begin construction in October on the site. It's located west of Jackson Street on the Fox River's north shore. But the city is opening up portions of that land for new ideas. Fox 11's Lindsay Vermes has more in this follow-up.
Where many have failed, Oshkosh River Development is ready to dig in.
Companies aren't really in a growth mode.
Despite challenging times, developer Art Dumke plans to put a senior apartment complex on the river and a mixed residential commercial building to the very north side. The Glass Nickel Pizza Company will be below with 11 units above.
There's going to be a pharmacy also, and then it's looking 99.9% sure we have a fourth building that's coming together on, again, the other side of Marion Road.
Dumke says as planned construction will begin on this land in the fall, but there is one change coming from the city. He'll now move forward with some competition.
The amendment would be to open up Development Area 1 and Development Area 4 to be able to, so that we could solicit and consider proposals from other parties in addition to Oshkosh River Development.
Mayor Paul Esslinger asked for the change, which opens up the site only to concepts Oshkosh River Development hasn't yet brought forward, like a hotel.
Our hope for that is that something bigger and grander and greater happens for Oshkosh. If not, we're just going to continue trying to put the office complex there.
The agreement lifts the developer's obligation to fulfill property value requirements for those zones because multiple parties may be involved. The city will now evaluate projects on a case-by-case basis, but is looking for developments valued around $20 million.
Our key issue is still going to be looking for high-quality projects that have the right kind of intensity, the right kind of scale and size. So I don't think we're going to be settling for less at all.
Oshkosh River Development plans to break ground in October. In Oshkosh, Lindsay Vermes, Fox 11 News.
The city says the market conditions will determine how big a project it expects. Oshkosh is also applying for grants that will help it borrow more money it needs to prepare the area for development at a reduced cost, and that may allow the city to accept smaller scale projects.